So one of the ways we know a healthy flock is whenever you come to the pen, first thing in the morning, you see that they all run towards you. You know, the easiest way to identify birds that are sick are those that are indifferent or not even concerned that you are around. So whenever you come into your pen house, the first thing you have to notice is how many of the birds came to where you are. Then for those ones that did not come, those are the ones you have to be particular about. You have to look at them. What is wrong? Are they giving out the normal bird sound? They call it phonation. Are they phonating? And you look at the feather, is it roughened? You look at them, and that's how you actually identify those that are weak, sick, and those that are healthy. You can hear them come. You can hear them making that sound. Yes, let's go. So, like, it's important you disinfect. Yes, you disinfect before entry. So, now hunger. Just say they chop yesterday. You can see they're active. So I just took the feeder up, and you can see that. I take this cake. So at just 3 weeks, you can see they are almost 900 grams. This is 3 weeks and 3 days. They're just 900 grams. So what do you do when you are in a crowded pen like this? As you see me surrounded by these good children, instead of making giant strides like this, where it will be impossible for you not to step on them. There's a way we walk when you are in a crowded pen like this. The first thing you need to do is to take forward strides, but not upward. You don't go upward first, you go forward like this. That way, you are not stepping on them, but your leg is able to clear them. I'm not going like this. I'm going like this. Like this. I can go forward, I can go backward without really stepping on anyone. So I go forward and it's easy. 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 So this way, you can see that, we are not stepping on the birds and they are not picking what is coming from our foot. We are walking straight, 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 straight. Sorry. As opposed to this, you can't be walking like this. You can't be walking like this. You walk straight, straight, not like this, not like this, but straight like this. So regardless of if they are 20,000 or if they are 200 or if they are 200,000, that's a way to work when you have birds, especially young birds around. Thank you. So when you notice that yes they are active, you can see them trying to pick something from the ground. It is not good for you to just keep a feeder. That's one of the fastest ways, where you see stampeding. That is birds falling on top of each other and stepping on themselves. That can result in mortality. So instead of just putting a feeder and allowing all of them to gather like this, you can see all of them coming together. Instead of doing this, you make sure that you have enough feeders on ground, so that when you do it, the weight or the number of birds per feeder would be optimal and not be gathered in one place. Hope that is clear. So yes, the first thing you do, you look at the birds. Are they phonating? Did all of them come to where you are? Bring more. Put them on top that one. Collect that thing. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that yes, the birds are active. They are coming towards you, as you can see, and that they are phonating. After which, you take the feeders out, you clean it, you feed them, you clean the drinkers and all. So that's what we are actually trying to do. We don't want to keep one and the birds will have to step on each other. We want to make sure that we have enough feeders on ground, then we can now start serving. I hope that's clear. So what we want to avoid, you can see the feeders are not enough. They are still struggling to feed. But just imagine using a single feeder and you are going back to make sure that you are bringing more feed. They would have killed themselves before you come back. So this is what we're trying to avoid. Now we just kept about 5, but within 5 minutes or within 2 minutes, all the feeders will be around and they'll be able to disperse. Hope that's clear. So you can see like mhm. Then if you notice, you see that there are more than 12 birds per feeder, and that is not good. You can see this. This is what can cause stampeding, and it's not good. Fast, oh, fast, fast, fast. Give me the two. Give me, give me. Now, what will they try to achieve? So as you can see, they are overcrowded in this place. And what we are trying to do is to make sure that there are not more than 12 per feeder. As you can see, some are struggling to feed, some are feeding. So these ones that are outliers, we are trying to move them to places where there is space and where they can feed. So all those are on the back, just carry them, show them food. You understand what I do? Are you back defending? Sorry, sorry. No worry, no worry. Wait. Sorry. As you can see, you see that the birds are eating. Please show us the birds eating. And you can see that they are evenly spread, around the feeders. So one of the telltale signs that the feeders are not enough is when you see that birds are climbing over themselves to get to the food. But when you see them spread out evenly like this, and nobody is trying to fight over access to food, then it is optimal. Optimally, in broiler production, we make sure it doesn't exceed 12 birds to a feeder. So, and that's what we're trying to maintain. Then come closer. You see the drinkers. Yes, there is food, but you can see that it's dirty and it's not interesting. Like it does not encourage them to come and drink. So what we want to do now is to make sure that it is clean. We clean it and make sure that what is fresh is what they have access to. And that's what it's doing. So just clean with your hand and come. It's not done. Dirty still there. Come and see. This place that the water is coming out from is my focus. It comes to where I am. Then the pressure is much. It's clean. Make it clean. If you're not clean, go be like fresh. Go be like say it's fresh. Totally. Make it clean. That's okay. It's clean. So you go be like saying a fresh one you put. They go then encourage you to drink.